Welcome into a sound design tutorial, sound design video. Today we are gonna synthesize another sound in Serum. You guys liked the latest video, which I'm really happy about and I really appreciate, I guess. I don't know. So how people say this, let's just go. Let's just jump right into it. I need a pretty cool, I guess we're just gonna be doing some chord or keys today again. So I will need to go into some MIDIs. I'm just gonna pick some MIDI. Okay, oh. So the main question that producers ask themselves is how to position their camera when they're making video. Second question is, how the heck do I make this sound? I guess first of all, we need to have a Serum open and choose some cool, what is this, Evo long Reese. Pretty good. Then, okay, filter. Okay, maybe let's make something more future bassy. Okay, so when we have LFO automation, it's a good idea to just have a macro automating the speed. Pretty cool. Already like that. Here, let's try. Okay, let's try a different shape. Okay, another thing, we need a cut of automation. So we can open the sound, cut off. Now I remember that. Let's try a different wavetable position. Ooh. Pretty good. What can we add else? Let's add a analog alpha noise. Same thing. Reverse this, do like a bipolar. It adds a little bit of the initial transient. So now let's go into effects section. First of all, let's start with the delay. I don't know what happened, but I have these presets here in Serum. Maybe that's, is this coming? No, it's called custom. So someone made it and someone put it inside my Serum. I guess it came with a skin. I don't know. It just appeared here. And these are really cool settings. This one is pretty cool. Delay. Then we have reverb. Again, some settings here appear. It's pretty cool. So now I'm gonna assign this automation to this guy and to this guy. Okay, that's gonna be space. Okay, let's try compressor. What we can do, what we can try doing, is create a sine wave automation and put it on to the release. Ooh. Ooh. Also make this trigger. Let's try this guy. Ooh. Now what we can do is just duplicate this by holding Alt. You can just duplicate this here. I'm gonna slow it down, maybe even turn off BPM sync. And I'm gonna put this on depth, just a little bit. do an off thing. So what it does is it creates like a pitch automation. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna put like 30%. So it adds a little bit of the width. Let's try phaser on that. The phaser does something, like it just changes the tone. If you watch the previous, what was it, Mumbai Power remake, it kind of does what I needed then to do. Like use a phaser and maybe it would work, who knows? Instead of just using 5 EQs, EQ matches. How many LFOs can we have here? Okay, so what I want to do, can I maybe put this guy here? Not exactly. I need this one to be automating this guy. Okay, and then we are going into the LFO 5. It's starting to get pretty confusing. I want to go into matrix LFO 5 and assign it to, we have LFO number 2 rate. Okay, let me do this. Yeah, then I guess we need a different, like, this shape. Let's do slower. Okay, this is some like a detail. If someone wants to use it, then we can get rid of that wavetable position because we're not gonna use that, and put this on phaser. Spice up. Pretty good. EQing at the end, just cut these guys a little bit. Just like 2 dB. By the way, this EQ looks like you're not cutting much, but if you take a look at the gain, it can go at -24, which is a lot. Maybe not, it sounds pretty good. I guess that's it. Let me just name it, chord chromatics. Okay, let's now test this thing. Ooh, that's a pretty nice bass, actually. Ooh, that's good. Let's see, let me save that as a sound. There's something to it, you know, like listening to the sound inside Ableton Arrangement View and listening inside the browser, it's a different feeling for some reason, and it kind of sounds differently. Let's change a chord. Pretty good, pretty good. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something. Have a nice day and see ya in the next one. Oh, wait, also make sure to sidechain the subscribe button. See ya. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can sidechain that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversampled.us for some high quality samples, presets, and free sounds.